Kurang tower sebagai green 6999.
6999, go ahead.
6999 Alpha 30, Airbus 320 Papa Kilo Golf 5 Quebec, request clearance destination Surabaya, Alpha 240, standby baby.
Itu Surabaya, Okang to Delta, level 240, scope 4422.
Surabaya, Okang to Delta, Alpha 240, squawk 4422, sebagai green 6999. Establish localizer.
990 Tower 1181.
1181. One Tower, Prosper 741, hold your Sierra 1. 741. Right, Sanur, take a picture, Papa. Establish line, Granite 60, descent 3000. Initial 407, go Papa Whiskey, Airbus 330, descent Alpha 2. Descent 253, request descent 1, Delta, flight level 400, Alpha 2, standby.
1000.
Tata line 3960.
Version 715, continue heading and descent maintain 10,000.
Batik 6331, contact tower 118.1.
That's 1 Batik 331, thank you.
04 to confirm by on navigation terus 10 mile.
31, selamat siang, on November Papa.
31, hold 0, runway 27.
Terjadi order. Batik 6331.
Take Victor Papa direct Labuhan Pon, approve to maintain 7,000, report reaching Labuhan Pon. Take Victor Papa, tempat kecil Labuhan Pon dengan kecil 050. Roger to continue device spec hold over Benoa and maintain 10,000.
10,000, Muda and holding over Benoa, 102.
31 contact Bali radar 11 and 3.
93, Batik 6331.
Hello 192, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, just to confirm, there is no holding for us over Benoa.
Behind and be ready for immediate another traffic on final.
Version 050.
Behind for immediate only the 192.
Terbenua right and heading right on heading 050, maintain 8,000.
Now in contact tower 118.1.
For 118.
The basic 715.
That is 1 TR, minimum speed descend to 5,000.
Descent 5,000 for us or for the ATR? Mind the 158.
Mile in the 158 descend to 5,000. Head info, traffic ahead is 1 ATR. Reduce minimum speed.
Runway with the clean speed and 5,000 feet and we have the traffic on our TCAS, mind the 158. 1,400, just confirm over direction.
Contact radar 1197, thank you.
197, correct.
Start Nusa Penida descend 2,000.
Nusa Penida descent 2,000, confirm. Somebody
18577.
157.
102 cancel hold over Benoa. After Udiba heading 110, correction heading 120, descend 8,000.
8,000 after Udiba heading 120.
Contact tower
036 on the passenger.
Indonesia 7036, selamat siang, identified left on heading 180, climb 230, unrestricted.
180, climb 230, unrestricted, Indonesia 7036.
158 heading 230 is approved. Clear for LS, report established.
Heading 230 approved, back to LS. Okay, establish my 158.
1857, terminal touchdown, contact tower 181.
181, Xperia 1857, terima kasih. Xperia 1857, selamat siang, mohon localizer tetap. 957, nanti input, kirim 101.
Indonesia 7036, contact 119.3.
119.3, Indonesia 7036. Thank you, Pak. Good day. Yang wing 7183 itu nguraga. 5000, heading 110, line into 560. Ready for immediate. Tujuh, Whiskey Foxtrot Zulu 10 Alpha 42 air clearance clear to Tampolata and for Bravo.
Indo 158 clear to land, surface wind 240 degrees 06 knots.
Vehicle land runway 27, Indo 158.
Blue 7 contact radar 1197.
117 Indonesia 407, thank you. Indonesia 407, Sebastian, Papua Selatan.
Indonesia 407, selamat siang, climb 4. Surface 60, descend, sorry, report established localizer.
The service localizer lines of 560.
083 descend to 3000 and clear for DLS Putra 27, report established localizer.
3000, clear the ILS from white 37, just 083.
Bergen 102 direct to Benua, descend 8000. Port 0711 decimal 3. To descend 5000, continue heading to Benua Fawal, next vectoring to the left for intercepting.
From white 37.
To descend to 4000.
3, hunting approach units 1011.
012, just 083.
And just 083, now 1011.
011, just 083. Start on the gate, register 805. On the gate, approved, report, ready for Bismay.
Hello, Victor Hotel, Lima Juliet Golf, passing level 158, descending 10,000, direct to Benoa.
Victor Hotel 5 Juliet Golf, fly on heading 360, descend initially to 3000.
Heading 360 and descend to 3,000 meters. Victor Hotel, Lima Juliet Golf.
Expect intercepting 8 miles from touchdown. You are number 2, Nabila expect.
7184, ready for descent.
184 for descent, contact Masjid 11855.
Bye.
Yes, 125, establish.
125 from Houston. Southbound, landing W. Window 178, contact Murray Tower 118.
Thì 907, confirm feedback correct.
Yeah, red bag is correct, reportment fully ready.
Over ready, take care, 907.
Marindo 178, are you ready?
Window 178.
Take a short final line up.
Final, window 178.
Beacon 9455, report ready, vector to the right.
You are ready for factory to the right, back in area 455.
Break Malindo 306, clear to land, southeast wind 140 degrees, 08 knots.
Excellent, which is Malindo 306.
925, contact radar 119, hotel.
193.
Jet 893, continue approach, Skynet 1010.
Slava fuel 3925 for the
240 unrestricted direct to Bugat.
Google level 240 unrestricted flight to 925.
Singapore 939 Alpha 21, will you leave a POV of 337? Request pushback and start.
337 Alpha to 1, Roger, standby, G2 traffic.
Standing by, Singapore 939. Kilo Whiskey Mike Whiskey, contact Maji Tower 11855, report established. Papa Kilo Whiskey Mike Whiskey, contact Maji Tower 11855.
Lita 10, are you ready? Everyone short final line up here.
Back and start approved. Heading south runway 09. runway 142, contact Bali radar 1197.
09 wings sampai di 184.
Good morning, good afternoon, Victor Charlie Lima Golf, passing 1,500, climbing level 230, requesting direct Bodai.
First traffic Airbus 359 on short fun landing, land up behind. Back and start.
Victor Julia Golf.
Julia Golf negative via seat. Bastion.
Ground to the green 342.
Green 342, go ahead. 275 approved, contact 1193.
Golf 5 Quebec, request clearance destination to Makassar, level 330 CPPB.
342 clear to Makassar, level initial 230, 24440, Padea 3 Alpha Radio 09. Just standby right then.
To Makassar, initial level 230 sampai 330, slot number 4450, runway 09, follow period 3 Alpha, depan, super green 340.
Behind traffic Boeing 7 and unit from short funnel and up behind.
9 Boeing 347, let it pass, line up behind, super green 340.
Okay,
09 plus 75 line up. Capri 77, contact Bali radar 11 additional. 19, ada Capri, vacancy 77, green. Bandingkan 514 selamat sore. Isbel 14 sama sore, RNT partition 3000 clear, RMP approach runway 09. Okay, 3000 clear, RNT 400.